How to fix TikTok missing eye icon. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok missing eye icon. So without further ado, let's get started. Before opening the app, make sure that your TikTok application is up to date. So this is actually the first way that we are going to try to fix the missing eye icon on your TikTok app. So just to see the eye icon on where it is situated, open your TikTok application, and from the home page, just click on this icon at the bottom right corner, and that is your profile page. So the eye icon is located right here at the top right corner beside the 3-bar line icon right here. So first way is to update your TikTok application. So just go to the App Store and go to the search bar and type in TikTok. So if you see the update that is stated right here, just click on that. So you will have your TikTok updated and probably fix the missing eye icon issue you have. And then the second way we are going to try is to clear the cache of TikTok. So this step is useful when TikTok is not functioning properly. So to do that, just go to your profile page, click on the 3-line icon right here, go to settings and privacy, scroll down a bit, and under cache and cellular data, you have the option to clear your cache. So cache is where TikTok stores your data. So if you are okay with that, and just click on that option to hopefully fix the missing eye icon problem you have. And that is how to fix TikTok missing eye icon. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.